How's it going, guys? Today I intend to show you how you can add that exaggerative effect to your object animation to give it a realistic behavior. Just take a look at this ball. You can see the way it's bouncing. You can see the velocity and the accuracy in the bounce. To achieve this, it's pretty straightforward and simple. First, you introduce your plane from the mesh. Next, you introduce your UV sphere, which acts as the ball. You go to the beginning of your frame, just as you can see me do, and you activate automatic keyframe. Make sure that the ball is directly on top of the plane at keyframe either 1 or 0. Immediately after you've done that, you move your cursor to frame 20. Remember, we have activated the automatic keyframe. While you're at frame 20, you move the ball up. This automatically sets the keyframe at 20. Immediately after you've done that, the next thing you do is to disable the automatic keyframe and copy the keyframes that you've activated within 1 and keyframe 20. You move forward again and you paste it, you continue to paste it till you get to frame 200 and you stop. Now, let's check what we have done so far. Go back to the beginning of the timeline and you play your timeline. Play your timeline to see what you've animated so far. Well, you can see the bounce. The animation feels rusty and the animation is also not smooth and not realistic enough. To modify this, what you have to do is to move to the editors type menu. By your far left, click on it and choose graph editor. Zoom in into the graph for clearer visibility. Now you go to the object transformation menu just at the left hand side and switch off all the F-curves visibilities except for the Z location. Next thing you start to do is to tweak your curves to your taste, just like you can see me do on the screen. Go to each point, right click and scroll down to handle type and branch out to free, just like I am doing right now. Immediately after you are done with that, make sure you save your project and move back to the editor type and choose timeline. Now you play your project to see if your object's behavior is similar to mine. If it is similar to mine, then you've done a good job. And if it is not, I will advise you to go back and check for any error or any omission. If you love this demonstration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For my next project, I'm going to be working on the principles of character animations. Can't wait to hear from you. Good luck.